god, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. I see them. I see the mountains. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Look. A shower and feel fresh and clean, and then to IKEA to get a few things. I'm not sure where to go. Okay, I am at a Denny's / Flying J in Calgary, Alberta. This will be my very first time using a Flying J shower, but I am excited to get clean. All right, guys, I'm just gonna figure out how to do this on the app, and I will check in with you later. So we are currently at the IKEA in Calgary. There's a nice little grassy area, so I'm going to take Jasper for a little walk so she can go to the bathroom, and then I'm going to go in and get a few things, and then we're going to head to our boondocking location. Not really sure where I'm going yet, but that's the fun of it all. Hey Jess, do you need to use the potty? Yeah? Do you have to go potty? Yeah, she's ready to hit a trail. She's done with all this driving. I don't blame her. Jasper, do you have to go potty? It's so beautiful here, and it's a little bittersweet driving through the park because I want to stop. I really do. I want to stop and explore, go to Lake Louise. I want to do all of that. But with the way things are right now, and the restrictions are changing constantly. I don't know what the COVID regulations are right now, but I know people aren't very happy when they see travelers. Jasper and I have pulled over at a rest stop here in Banff, and I just have to go to the bathroom, and she has to go to the bathroom. Hey, honey? Yeah. And gotta keep going. Good girl. Sit, Jasper.
Got it. Wait. No, that's too much. Wait a minute. Yeah. This. You're gonna come home. You'll be all nice and fat for 6 months.
Yes.
You good puppy. You good puppy. You good puppy. Oh yes.
Really good.
Oh yes.
You can't help but look up at the mountains. Hey guys, so Jasper and I made it to Kelowna. Just pulled into the Walmart here. I am surrounded by a ton of RVs and vans. But there is a sign that says no overnight parking allowed. Customer parking only. 3-hour limit. So I don't know. There's so many RVs here though, like vans right here. As you can see right there, there's a truck. Somebody's sleeping in there for sure. We got a van. There's an RV over there. You can see through the window there's RVs there. I mean, they're not gonna come tow us all. If I get a knock, I'll move. Not a big deal. I think we're gonna give it a shot. I don't know, man. I think I really don't want to get a ticket and I don't want to get a knock. Hey guys, it's me. I'm at Walmart. I'm parked right in front of the no parking sign. So we are going to attempt a stealth camp tonight, although it's not very stealthy. I mean, we're surrounded by campers and vans. And I'm parked right next to a no overnight parking sign. Oh, hashtag live dangerously.